All right then.
This is some exclusive stuff.
Put on my seat up.
You know, we was in the session.
Original syrup. I don't think there's
real good stuff came out of this session. You know, we got some great songwriters on this project. We just want to share something. We just want to bless y'all real quick from Anaheim. Here we go.
I don't think we got original, Doc.
Suckers. Okay.
This is Boysenberry.
Kenny Bell, Kenny Bell, Kenny Bell, Kenny, he lives in Cleveland City. In the city. He plays keyboard. Strike that chord. Soon it will be the 28th. Second verse. Joey Green. He plays the bass in the city. He plays one string. Bling-a-ling. Soon it will be the 28th.